got a GameCube silver controller from eBay for parts. The seller left a note that says the start button doesn't work. So I'm going to test it out, see if that's true, see if any other buttons work, and at the very least, you got to clean it. Hopefully it's just a dirty start button in there, but let's see what we got. So I actually don't have a GameCube at the moment, but I do have a backwards compatible Wii, so I'm going to fire it up. Here's our first opportunity to test the start button, and nothing. And they actually can't make it any further in the game to test this controller without being able to press the start button. So let's take it apart and see what's going on. Okay, let's see what we got. I don't work on GameCube controllers all that often, so we'll see what happens. I don't know if I've ever worked on one, to be honest. Okay, looks like we got a couple screws. That comes out. Is this screwed in? Is anything screwed in? Nope. Okay, this does look like it could use a cleaning. You can see the circle from the pad having pressed against here has left some residue. So is it possible that's all that the problem is? Let's see if this works. Okay, I got the game in demo mode. Demo mode says press any button. I'm going to choose to press start. And took a response. That's a good sign. There we go. That's something. So I think I'm going to get the rest of this controller cleaned up and reassembled and see if it actually works when it's reassembled. Look at how nice and crusty this is. Look how the dirt we got inside. No wonder start doesn't work. I'm gonna take everything out of this and clean it up. Time to clean all this wonderful hand scum off of the bottom part of the controller now. Next, it's time to move on to cleaning the buttons. Check out this nice little surprise waiting for me under the joystick. How does that happen? Just when you thought my chance had passed to clean these start pause buttons, I'm going to save the best for last. This is my favorite part of cleaning controllers, is cleaning out these little grooves and getting all the dirt out of there. How good does that look? To quote Tony Horton, "That's gorgeous! Come on!" I think I got everything looking pretty nice. Now I'm going to take a quick crash course to see how this thing gets reassembled, and I'll show you what I come up with. So there actually is a little bit of a learning curve with putting this back together. You have to tuck the wire under here. You have to put the rumble in with this metal pole facing that way. And the thing that almost tripped me up is these have to line up with these. So I think when I put this together the first time, these were down. These just slide freely. And these are up. So they didn't sink in. So I'm gonna push those up. And now everything should come together. I'm gonna test this before I put the screws in to make sure everything's functioning. Okay, testing buttons. A, Y is good. X is good. B is good. Start, the main one, works. Z is good. C up, C down. R, L. So in the end, all the buttons work. It's nice and clean. I'm gonna list this on eBay. Looks like they go for around 25 to 35, which is pretty good. And I'll let you know if it ever sells. Thanks for watching.